What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another quick video review. Today I've got my hands on the DJI Spark, which is perhaps the best entry-level drone available in the market today. So does it still make sense to buy the DJI Spark, or are you better off buying another drone? That is what we're going to find out in today's video review. Let me take you back in time and let's quickly begin by unboxing the DJI Spark. You have a couple of options when you're looking to buy the DJI Spark. You can buy the drone alone, which has seen a significant price drop at $280. Or you can get the Fly More kit, which comes with an optional remote control and one additional battery at $520 at the time of making this video. Now, learning a drone can be a little hard to fly to begin with. Thankfully, DJI has some quick shot modes that can get you up and running within a matter of seconds. So let's quickly look at how easy it is to set up these shots.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
So as you can see, DJI Spark is one of my favorite drones. It takes your videos to a whole different level. But before you go ahead and buy the DJI Spark in 2018, let me just quickly point out some of the things that you're not getting with this drone. It can only shoot at 1080p with 30 frames per second, so no 4K capabilities. You also get a battery that can only give you 15 minutes of recording time. And that is perhaps my biggest gripe with the DJI Spark. You hardly get any time and you burn these batteries at the speed of knots. Here's my suggestion to you. If you're looking to buy a drone and you want to start small, then just go ahead and buy the DJI Spark. At $280, you cannot go wrong with it. But if you want to take your filming to the next level, my suggestion to you, go for the DJI Mavic Air, or better yet, wait for the DJI Mavic Pro 2. So with that, we come to the end of this review. I'd like to thank you all for watching.